situation is very, very, well, I say, I don't want to use the word complex, but there are so many reasons why a company is shut down. We can call it cost shutdown. Um, we have a scenario that was painted for us before we came for the meeting. That's a different reason why the business could shut down due to government policies. And then when you talk about fintech, also you look at the reason why they are shutting down and use the word if they are licensed, if they have the permission to carry out that activity. So one of the requirements, the legal requirement, regulatory compliance requirement is that the deposits, the money involved, the deposits of customers is insured by the Central Bank of Nigeria. So if you say they have the permission to carry out the activities, it means that they have been licensed to carry out such activity. So if they are licensed to carry out such activity, I believe that they would have done all the regulatory. They will have picked some checklists, some list, some items on their checklist. And one of the important things that CBN would insist is the insurance of their customers' money. So we can see that from Heritage Bank. Well, Heritage Bank is a traditional bank, but when the CBN revoked its license, of course, that has to be a forced shutdown. But they also gave they also released a circular that okay, they were going to refund customers' money to the tune of 5 billion naira almost immediately, and they were going to make arrangements for further refunds. And that's why because the NDIC has insured that money. The money is insured with the NDIC. So I would say, first of all, I would say for them to be able to prepare for such unforeseen circumstances, I won't say that's an unforeseen circumstance because if you are shutting down because they revoke your license, the regulatory body must have been giving you some kind of warning and a regulatory requirement would have been listed for you to see. So it's something that the board of directors or people managing the day-to-day activities of the business should be aware of. So if they so if they have been receiving kind of maybe notices from the commission that you need to do this, you need to comply with this and that, and they know that this is coming very soon, they should have taken steps, and those steps is to protect their customers' money. So for fintech that is licensed, I don't believe that customers will lose their money. People that actually lose money are the investors. Because of course, when you're investing, when I mean investors, I mean shareholders, people that have equity stake, ownership stake in the company. Because it's their money, they usually do lose their money in a system where that particular company is regulated, and let's say they already have insurance policies already, and they can use to caution. So if you look at the history of banks holding up, I don't think um, we have seen scenarios where customers have lost their money. We just see that oh maybe this bank and the other bank comes together, there's a merger, there's an acquisition, but the customer still gets their money.